AamirzTwoCents. Today I'm going to show you guys a little bit information about the kitchen designs in America. So I'm not going to show you, okay, I have fancy kitchen here and all that, like I got a microwave or oven and all that. That you can live without that. So you don't have to have these things like somebody in Pakistan we never use oven, so we are all fine. The most important thing that really inspired me, the way the kitchens are designed and the garbage bin or the trash bins are designed in America. So in my previous house we didn't have that. We have to have a garbage bin separate in the kitchen, but this new house they are educating themselves, they are coming up with the unique ideas and all that. And here what you can see, this is our kitchen with all these cabinets and everything. So I'm not really like, oh, this cabinet can open and close automatically. So I'm not into these kind of things. I don't care about that. It's good thing actually if I close it and open it because it helps my muscles. But I am all into this thing. Okay, so here if you guys come close and take a look, right here I have this recycle bin, and here is the garbage bin that they have installed. So the best part is like, okay, so you can take this whole thing out and you can see right there. So but you have all these bags always put in, and that's how you put the garbage and keep putting it. Once it's full, you're going to take the garbage out, leave the bucket as it is. You never take this out. This was only for demonstration. So see here, this one is for recycle, like all plastic thing, all glass things will go there, and this is for trash. So this is not the fanciest thing on the earth. So there are a couple of rails right there, and this can go in. Okay, so this is one of the things I will suggest to any my friends from developing countries such as Pakistan, India or Bangladesh. We need to be more on these kind of things, okay, where the life can be better, where we can improve our hygiene. So having this type of garbage bins in the kitchen, first of all, you're not going to have mosquitoes and flies, so because they comes on the garbage. If this is always closed, there would be not enough garbage for them to fly on. Okay, so I will suggest don't worry too much about the fanciest thing. I'm seeing that the people are installing their TVs in the kitchen, and they are making like, oh, I want the best counter. Let's say this counter. Do I even care about this counter? This is marble or not? The thing is, if my kitchen is clean, that's all it matters. Okay, and to have your kitchen clean, you need a garbage bin or where you can put the recycle bins, and they are not visible, and they are not, the mosquitoes, flies and all those kind of things doesn't come in, and it doesn't stink, you know, and you can't see that garbage outside as well. So your kitchen is clean. So I will insist, you know, on this one. When we are coming to the new ideas, we should learn these ideas from the developed countries and implement in our own countries. So I will, any new kitchen ideas you guys are coming up, you know, don't buy oven, don't buy microwaves or whatever. Have these garbage bins, buckets installed inside, and it will help you, and you will enjoy your house, clean house on daily basis. So I thank you very much for watching this video.